Hi, so what I got here is the Rockwell F50 Sonicrafter, and this is the 4 amp version. You'll see some of the features here. It's a tool-free blade hyperlock, and this is a universal fit. It says any blade, any brand, and it has a 35 max cutting load capacity. So let me just go around and show you some of the features. Of course, out of the box, it might say 34 pieces, but a lot of those pieces are really just sanding pads. So you could see here, it has, 4 of the multi cutters. And just at the top, a comparison of the models F50, F30, and the Sonicrafter. So this is the most powerful version here with the 4 amps. And let me go ahead and open it up, and just a quick look at the bottom here what it includes. But once again, the sanding pads are the most common, 26. So you will have to buy a lot of other blades other than the 4 that it comes with here, which is the saw cutter. So let me go ahead and open this baby up and give you a quick look. So this here is actually a super nice looking case, and it is hard and sturdy with a nice handle. Unfortunately, I believe the newer models come with a carrying bag. So you'll see that there's the heavy clasp at the sides. So once I take the lid off, and even for the blades here, there's a nice little locking mechanism so it doesn't come out. And you can see this is the sanding pads, 28 of them right here, and that's for attaching the sanding pads on that particular side. And on this side are the blades. So this is the circular cutter here, and these are the 4 multi-purpose saw blades, flat saw blades here, and several other blades, all nice and oiled. This is actually a knife here. And so that's that for the accessories. Got the instruction manual. And this is it. This is the oscillating tool. So if you could get one of the older ones, and this particular one I actually got really cheap. I got it for, 60 bucks. Right on eBay actually, and I'll have links in the description area, just in case you could find it cheap at this point in time. You could see the Hyperlock here. And obviously you just push it in place. Just quality build, quality build by Rockwell. And that's the case. Cord, it's 2-prong cord, and those are the speed settings here. But it's just nice and sharp here. And that's really it for the unboxing. You can see it has the 2 LEDs here, right there. That's really it for the unboxing, and I'll try to do another video for this thing in action.